If you're serious about upgrading your backyard cooking game, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best propane gas grills with 4 burners or more that actually deliver power, consistency, and real value. Whether you're cooking for family or hosting weekend barbecues, these picks cover every budget and need. All the Amazon links are down in the description box below, so let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Huggrove 4-burner grill, and honestly, this grill punches way above its weight. For the price, you're getting serious firepower and a huge cooking surface that can handle a full backyard feast. Whether you're grilling burgers, steaks, or veggies, this unit doesn't disappoint. The Huggrove cranks out 40,000 to 49,000 BTUs across its 4 stainless steel burners, giving you consistent heat and the option of a side burner for extra flexibility. Cooking space ranges from 546 to 690 square inches, meaning you can easily grill for a dozen people without worrying about running out of room. Perfect for gatherings or weekend barbecues. What makes this grill shine is the thoughtful design. Foldable side tables save space when not in use, a built-in thermometer keeps your cooking precise, and handy features like a bottle opener and tool hooks keep everything you need within reach. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates heat evenly and clean up like a dream. Here's what you should know though. The build quality isn't quite as premium as higher-end models. Some components use lighter gauge materials, so you'll want to keep it covered when not in use to maximize longevity. All said and done, the value is insane. Priced between $269 and $320, you're getting commercial-grade BTUs, massive cooking space, and thoughtful features. For backyard grillers who love hosting but don't want to break the bank, the Huggrove 4-burner grill is a smart, dependable choice. At number 4, we're talking Charbroil Performance Series 4-burner. And this one's a favorite for everyday backyard chefs. It's got solid build quality, 4 main burners, and a 10,000 BTU side burner for sauces or veggies. Users love how consistent the heat is, which is clutch when you're cooking multiple things at once. The porcelain-coated cast iron grates hold heat like a champ and give your food those crispy, professional-looking grill marks. With 475 to 575 square inches of cooking area, plus a warming rack, you've got plenty of space for full meals. It's easy to manage multiple heat zones, so you can sear chicken on one side and keep veggies low and slow on the other. Ignition is super smooth. Push a button, and you're cooking. Setup is pretty straightforward, though assembly can take some patience if you're new to grills. The stainless steel lid, burners, and control panel feel like they'll last several years, which is why this model gets a lot of love in Reddit and barbecue forums. Here's the downside. Some users mention that heat distribution isn't as flawless as higher-end models. You might notice a couple of hot spots if you're cooking for a large crowd. But with a little practice, it's easy to manage. Just rotate pans or adjust burner levels, and you're golden. All said and done, the Charbroil Performance Series is a rock-solid pick if you want a dependable grill that doesn't cost a fortune. Perfect for casual chefs who want consistent results and a reliable side burner. Check the description links if you want to snag one for your next barbecue. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Monument Grill's Mesa 450BZ, and this grill is seriously impressive for the price. It looks way more expensive than it is, thanks to the stainless steel finish, LED lit knobs, and glass viewing window. Users on Amazon and barbecue forums rave about the combination of looks, power, and value here. Performance is where it really shines. You get 4 main burners, a dedicated sear burner, and a side burner, giving you roughly 62,000 to 72,000 BTUs of heat. That means you can cook steaks hot and fast while smoking or simmering side dishes at the same time. Large cooking surface is perfect for feeding big crowds without a sweat. The warming rack is a nice bonus, giving you extra space to keep food hot or finish delicate items. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates hold heat well and deliver solid grill marks. LED-lit knobs aren't just flashy, they make nighttime grilling super convenient, and the glass window lets you peek without opening the lid. Trade-off alert. The burners can run hotter than expected, so you might need to get used to dialing in the heat. Beginners may overcook food if they're not careful, but once you get the hang of it, it's a seriously versatile, high-value grill that punches well above its price. Overall, the Monument Mesa 4on15BZ is perfect for folks who want premium features on a budget. It looks good, cooks like a champ, and has all the extras you'd want for under $450. Links are in the description if you want to grab one before your next backyard party. At number 2, we're stepping into premium territory with the Weber Genesis E325, and this grill earned its spot as best overall gas grill for very good reasons. You're investing in build quality and performance that'll last a decade or more. The 39,000 BTU output comes from 3 main burners plus a dedicated Sear Zone burner, and that combination is absolutely dialed in. The 646 square inches of cooking area is significantly larger than the Spirit line, so you can handle serious entertaining without playing Tetris with your food. The build quality separates this from everything else we've talked about. Weber uses far fewer plastic components here. The stainless steel flavorizer bars are thicker, and the Clearview glass window is larger and clearer. You feel the difference the moment you touch it. Here's what to consider. You're paying $8.99 to $9.99, which is double or triple the budget options. If you grill maybe once a month, that premium might not make sense. But if you're grilling weekly, the durability justifies every dollar. What makes this special is Weber's engineering legacy. The Sear Zone gets screaming hot for restaurant-quality crust on steaks, the heat distribution is flawless across the entire surface, and the comprehensive warranty backs it all up. The E335 adds a side burner if you need it. This is the grill serious home cooks choose. And our number 1 pick is the brand new 2025 Weber Spirit E425. And this updated model completely changes the game for mid-range grilling. You're getting next-generation boost technology that delivers 40% more searing power than previous Spirit models. The 4 burners pump out approximately 35,000 BTUs total, but it's how they deliver that power that matters. Those 2 boost burners on one side create a legitimate sear zone that rivals dedicated high-end grills. The 428 square inches of primary cooking space is perfectly sized for most families. The rust-resistant cast aluminum cookbox is built to last decades, not years. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates retain heat better than anything else in this price range, giving you perfect grill marks every single time. The Snapjet ignition system is ridiculously reliable. Here's the trade-off. The cooking area is smaller than some budget models that go wider instead of better. If you regularly cook for crowds over 12 people, you might feel slightly limited, though the quality makes up for it. But here's why it wins. At around $6.99, you're getting Weber's legendary build quality, the boost technology that used to only exist on Genesis models, and a 10-year warranty that proves they stand behind it. The grease management system is brilliant. Setup is straightforward, and the heat distribution is absolutely even. This is the sweet spot of performance, features, and price. Thanks for watching. Remember to check all the Amazon links in the description below to see current prices and detailed specs. If this helped you choose your next grill, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Happy grilling!